The beauty of technical analysis proved out. See, I told you 34 to 100 today morning. That is the only level beyond you can go long, and beyond below this you can remain short. Similarly, 13650, and you recall 1783-84 zone for gold. All the targets precisely respected. Now, what is going to happen with the US cash session? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators in gold, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones. Do not miss to like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you are missing to subscribe, definitely you are missing on the profits for sure. Do watch on the daily analysis, one with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. So let's start. On the hourly charts, US gold is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It may get a pullback, it may get a retracement. The level to watch out for is now at 1775. If it trades beyond 1775, you can go long there. Expect 1782 levels to give it a resistance there, and then 1784. Beyond that it will fly. There could be a pullback again, but see, do watchful of 1764. This is the level. Today morning I asked you to remain short below 1774 levels, and the target was 1764. It is precisely going to achieve, it appears, and let's see if it sustains above these levels or it is going to break. We will see. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic at bottom, and it is oversold. And if you look at the MACD has crossed over, this is white divergent, and it is still bearish. RSI 2 is hitting the bottom out there. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, it is already trading outside the Bollinger Bands. May get a pullback, may try to bounce back, but be watchful of 1775. Only long entry is above 1775. Then you can expect 1780 and 1782 levels. That is going to be a resistance. Beyond that it will fly. On the upside, directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over, and this is a bearish cross. It is divergent. RSI looking downwards. Likewise, if you look at the 3-hour charts, again same, trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. This is a red candle. It may remain red. Probably 1764 levels you have to watch out for, and then 1760 levels. Those who traded as per my morning analysis were already short on 1774 levels. Yes, you have to put your stop loss at those levels only and keep trading. Yes, it may bounce back, possibility exists, but 1774 levels may provide a resistance. And if you look at the charts out there, the indicators, it is bearish. Stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI is looking downwards. Likewise, if you see on the 4-hour charts, see, this is the second red candle. Remember, this is the second red candle, and it may continue to remain red. Just be watchful of 1764 and 1760 levels. There are support there at those levels. If it breaks below 1760, yes, 1755, 1750 is the ultimate level which one should look out for. This is going to be a good support, and below that we may see a strong break. Be watchful there. On the upside, only long entry is above 1774. If you see it trading above 1774, go long there and expect it to rise for 1780, 1784 levels. Beyond that it will fly. Directional movement bearish, extremely bearish. Stochastic is entering into oversold levels. MACD is again bearish. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, look here, lower highs, and probably it may give you similar size of candle, which was from 1800 to 1780, $20 of move. Probably it may 1775 to 1755. There is a possibility that it can drop till towards 1760, 1755 level. This level at 1755 going to give it a very strong support. So till the time it trades below 1774, you can remain short. Beyond 1774, yes, it can rise till 1780, 1783, 84 zone, and beyond that it will fly. So only long entry is above 1774, and on the downside, see, it is trading below this 20 and 50 period moving average. Today morning I told, just be watchful of this. Now it is trying to enter into bearish territory. Probably we may see 1760, 1755 levels getting achieved here. Directional movement is bullish. It is willing to converge crossover. Stochastic oversold. MACD, I told you, it is willing to crossover, and this crossover will bring bearishness in gold. Probably we may see it trading in this bearish territory for a little while, and it may continue to drop from here. Just be watchful. Considering this, yes, you can go long only above 1764, 1774. Beyond 1774, you can expect 1778 and then 1780 to 83 levels. Beyond that, if it trades, definitely it will fly high till towards 1788, 90 and 95 levels. I don't think so this is going to happen. And just on the downside, now you have to be cautious of 1764. Below 1764, it may drop till towards 17 60, 1755 and 1750. These levels you should watch out for. 1750 definitely be a stronger support. 1755 definitely could be a stronger support. These two levels be of much help for gold to get some support here. Hence you have to be cautious of these levels, and till the time, see, remember right now it has achieved 1765. It can bounce back a little. Possibility exists that it can bounce back, but then you have to take a short entry at around, if you see trading around 1773, 74, and if you see it dropping again from those levels, take a short entry again and expect it to drop. Take your positions accordingly. Those who want to take a safe entry, remember it is already trading at bottom. If you had watched the morning analysis, you must be already in profit, and yes, accordingly for the day, just be cautious. Only long entries above 1774. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. Since last 2 days, I was expecting a drop in US 100 and US 30 also, and yes, in my weekly analysis also I told 13600 700 zone you have to watch out for. Precisely it has achieved those levels and now trying to drop. Yes, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands on the hourly charts, 13500 and 13450. You have to be watchful of these two levels. Very strong support exists here. It can retrace again on the upside. How far it can retrace? It can go back till towards 13600 levels, which is going to be the next resistance zone, 13580 600. You can either try to initiate a short entry from there. Extremely bearish on the hourly charts, oversold on the stochastic. MACD is bearish, RSI is oversold. So see, it has again come back to the levels which it has seen yesterday. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, see, yesterday it has achieved these levels at around 13510 515, and now it is in fact dropped below 13500. Very strong support lies here. See, multiple candles on the 2-hour chart got the support here. It has completed this journey, and remember, it is slightly skewed on the downside. I have told you this earlier in the day. Now it has completed this journey. Probably once it trades below this zone at 13450, it may call for a strong bearish momentum, which will bring it till towards 13350 300 zone. The next support is only at 13350 300 zone. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD white divergent bearish. RSI looking downwards. Likewise, if you see the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, this is the third red candle. It is taking the support from the bottom of the Bollinger Band. The resistance there at 13600 is strong. Only if it trades beyond 13600, I will recommend you to go long. Till it trades below 13600, you can try to initiate a short entry any point of time. Yesterday also we were bearish. I asked you to remain short and short at high, but it tested our patience out there. It dropped and then bounced back. Likewise, US 30 also dropped and then bounced back. Directional movement is extremely bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is white divergent and bearish here, and RSI is again entering into oversold levels. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, remember this is the second red candle and this is skewed here. See, the resistance there at 13600 is going to be strong. You have to be watchful of 13600 levels. Once it trades above 13600, almost you can go long at around 13610 620. If you see it trading about 13610 620, go long again, and then you can expect it to achieve higher highs. At the same time, just be cautious of 13500 and 480 levels. Below 480 you can again expect 13450 first support and 13400 next support, and then 13300 60 70, and then 13300. See, 13300 is the ultimate support which is going to be there, and I had expected it to act bearish. It is trying to act bearish. See, it is crossing over on the directional movement. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has already crossed over and it is divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards and coming back to the daily charts. On the daily charts you can look at it here. Now look at the last two candles. That is today's candle. So if you draw a parallel from here, the possibility of it getting the support from 13480 exists, and then 13600 620 levels you have to be watchful of. Beyond that, yes, it may fly. You have to be cautious of this. So this is one observation. On the direction movement, this is bullish here, extremely bullish. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. It may look downwards. Retail data is released, so maybe it is reacting right now to that. MACD is willing to converge crossover, and if you look at the RSI, this is overbought. It is looking downwards, so probably you have to be cautious of 13480 and 13450 levels. If it breaks those zones, then definitely you can expect it to land first target 13400, then 13300 levels. 13300 is definitely a very strong support for US 100. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside, only long entry I will recommend is beyond 13620 levels. 13 beyond that you can expect 13650, and if it breaks beyond 13650 it is going to fly high till towards 13750 levels. Remember that fact. Remember 13 it is overbought and hence it may require some drop, but the Fed minutes are going to get released. You have to be watchful of that. It will give the direction. It will give the direction on, and retailers must be watchful of that how Fed thinks and what could be possibilities in future. So let's be watchful of this, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. US 30 on the hourly charts, consistent red candles. Today morning I told you watch out for 34,200, only long entry is above this, and since then it has broken, it has dropped nicely. 33,900. See, I told you these levels. I told you watch out for 33,900 and then 33,800. These two levels you should definitely be watchful of. Any drop below 33, see, this is going to be a very good support at 33,800, and it may try to achieve these levels before it looks forward to any further rise. Yes, this is going to be the level which you should look out for. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is white, divergent and bearish. If you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, only long entry now is above 34,000 levels. If you see it trading above 34,000, go long, else it is looking forward to this zone at 33,820 and 33,800. Definitely it will give it a support, and below that you have to be watchful of 33,700 levels. This is going to be the strongest support. If it draws below 33,700, it will call for a stronger fall. If not today, possibly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we may be looking at 33,500, 33,300 levels. Directional movement is willing to cross over for a sell-off. It is trading in bullish right now. Stochastic is oversold here, and hence a bounce back can be expected. MACD is divergent. This is just the third red candle. It may trade in bearish. It can bounce back or retrace a little, but ultimately it will drop. RSI looking downwards. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. This is the third red candle, and see the candle size is increasing here from 34,100 to 33,950 levels, and from here it is dropping till 33,900. Probably we may see almost 150, so almost 200 points you can count, and then you can look forward to 33,750 and 33,800 zone. Yes, be watchful of 33,800, definitely strong support. So first support at 33,900 and then 33,800. Do be cautious of these levels. Directional movement is bullish. It is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic is oversold. It may continue to trade here. Direction, and you look at the MACD, this is white, divergent and bearish. Second red candle, probably the third red candle may appear soon. And if you look at the RSI, this was overbought. Now looking forward to a drop. Today morning itself I have told you it is overbought, and hence you can look forward to a drop. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Only long entries above 34,000. Till the time it trades below 34,000, it is looking forward to 33,800 levels, and below that, if it breaks 33,800, definitely 33,700 levels should be there. 33,700, 750 zone. This you have to be cautious of. Any break below, any drop below 33,700 will call for a stronger drop on the downside towards 33,500, 33,300 level, if not today, possibly tomorrow. Directional movement is bullish. It is willing to converge crossover. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has just crossed over, and this is the second red candle. Hence it may continue to trade in red. Probably any rise, any retracement, even till towards 34,100 you can go short. So any retracement is a good entry to remain short. RSI looking downwards. Likewise, if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, it is formed lower highs. I told you 33,200 you have to be watchful of. 33,900 also I have told. Now probability exists that it may give you lower lows, and then 33,750 and 700 levels. These two levels you should mark out for. Any drop below 33,700 is a good entry to go short. Else possibility exists that it may try to rise till towards 34. Same levels what I gave yesterday. Be watchful of 34,000 to 34,100 zone. If it trades breaks below beyond 34,000, yes, possibility exists that it may try to achieve 34,050, 34,100 levels. Any long entries beyond 34,150 levels, if you see it trading beyond 31,4,150, you can go long again. That you can expect it to rise. Till the time it trades below 34,150, you can expect that probably we may see a retracement or a drop again on the downside. Directional movement is extremely bullish, hence a convergence is required. That is what I had shared today morning. Stochastic is overbought. It is looking downwards. MACD is bullish. It must start to converge, and RSI is overbought. It must look forward to a downward move. I am expecting a drop, but these are markets. I will be converting myself to bullish, If it trades above 34,150 level, then I can confirm that probably we may see little more bullishness. Then you have to be cautious of 34,150 level. There is a possibility that it can retrace as it is right now. On the hourly chart and 2 hour chart, it is trading oversold. A little rise can be expected, but every rise till towards 34,100 levels, you can go short there. Again, I am reiterating, you can go short there. Just keep the stop loss at 34,250 level. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do be watchful of 33,900 first target and 33,800 next target, and in fact below that be very attentive and cautious till 33,750 700 zone. This is going to be a very important zone. Probably it may sustain these levels. Hence be cautious and take your trades accordingly. This is all from my side. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do become a patron, and the patron link is mentioned in the web channel and video description. This is just to support my effort. Definitely you can get connected from patron link to me. You can send one-on-one message and definitely you can get the response maybe sometime. So you can join and become a patron, support the effort, or you can be part of my mentorship batch or my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.